Aye. Yeah.
Star Records.
Yeah. Listen, check it. Nimesuffer 5 years, yo. The past 5 years of my goddamn life. My mental health would deteriorate. Yani who get worse, now we escalate them and try to guess what mouth to show. Kids keep praying and enjoy this hell, but no, life's gonna get better. A day in this life, a tuta send letters, man. We'll be all in the same room. Without our dad, this is painful. He's watching from above. I hope he sees us and what we've become. I try to smoke my brains out. Life is no bet, haina cash out. I've tried many, no cash in. I've been with many teens, none I can fit. Not even Nike's on man's feet. I only got rap mine my C's. You can imagine kwa to mean key. Imagine how na rap kiwa give me. It's not just here about me, it's about what's coming, don't feel free. As a kid nilitaka fame, kurukaruka stage nikimake their day. After all nime lose it, my hands are sweating, I'm losing grip. Si afford new, my life is cheap. The same life man nili dream of Jeep. Maybe a Benz or a Beamer. Kufika east stage na hustle food. Wasikupime wakwangi true, wanaibaga na suti and don't be fool. Book na pen na my mask on, ni write down something ni pass on. Any Nairobi kona gangs on, na some of them tough zina guns on. Na leave mark Michael Jackson, nimelelewa umoja jaza pengo. Life si fake kona challenges, na tricks mbaya ziuvunja marriages. Na after hapa nko kwa garbages, ndo sezi rap trash on graphages. Tukuwa most but some left, wenye hukuwa close even forgot. On this journey sezi form group, niko better off alone me and my who. Weekdays nko kwa gumboots, kwa set za mjengo nsake za booth. Trust me utaki kuona this face, uneza gutuko upate migraine. Nadunga mask ni hide face from a beautiful world na ni closed case. Ta bring it home to V4, turudisha hiyo shit bro na 4x4. Na chill na pombe kwa pembe, sijui ni change dini ndo nifunge na tende. After struggle ni success, patience, time who tell kani nonsense. Life exam personal ni results, wife a jam kuna space kwa shiro. Na sikupangi walitonea kwa diro, siku kila kitu ili deal na kipimo. Forgive me ka kwangu uko glued, straight up farm jaribu kukua true.